that shampoo after your braids, immaculate, okay? Immaculate. I think all the steam is getting to my brain. I already done tried to get the water hot and everything because I refuse to be in this boy freezing. Y'all, my eye is burning. Y'all, if I'm squinting, I can't see. Y'all know I wear glasses. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Brianna, back again with another video for y'all. Hey, y'all. In today's video, it's wash day. I took down my braids that I had in for like 3 weeks. Never finished them, but my scalp was itching. It's time for a refresher, okay? Gotta get this scalp clean. I think I want to do a blowout, maybe flat around my hair. So that might be a 2-part video, but I'll bring y'all along for me washing it for now. So yes, if you're interested in this video, make sure you join the family. By joining the family, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you leave a comment and share this video to a friend. So without further ado, what y'all all been waiting for is to see the hair, okay? Ooh, looks pretty rough. Yikes. Oh my gosh. Nah, but seriously though, like I said, I took those braids out and I don't want to open the video like this, so I just left my bonnet on. It's pretty disgusting actually. I have a lot of shed hair. Look at that, like hair is just like coming out at this point. So I think I'm gonna wet it down, get some conditioner on there first, detangle it with the conditioner in there, and then we'll start our shampoo routine. I don't have no crazy routine, to be honest with y'all. I use the most basic of the basics, conditioner and shampoo. I'll show y'all real quick. So first on the list, I almost fell, y'all. This has been like my staple. I used to use this when I was relaxed actually. So this is the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine conditioner. This is what I will detangle my hair with. Sorry if y'all hear my daughter in the back, okay? So this is what I will be detangling my hair with right here. I use this all the time. To me, it has enough slip in it for me to, you know, go through and detangle my hair. This is the shampoo version of it. Y'all probably like, why is she using those, you know, products? But hey, it works for me. I'm sorry, they're cheap and they work for me. I'm sorry. So I also started using this because my cousin said in one of her videos that she uses this. This is by the same brand. Is this by the same brand? Yeah, Garnier. So same brand, just a different kind. This is like the honey version. I like it. It works. It works for me. Okay, that's all I'm saying. I'm not saying that you gotta go buy it. I'm just saying this is what works for me. Next on the list, I'm gonna do a deep conditioner. I don't have a protein treatment here, which I wish I did because I just took the braids out like I was telling y'all, and I kind of wanted to, you know, strengthen my hair back up, but it looks like that's gonna be a no-go because I don't have any protein treatment here. So yeah, we're just gonna jump straight in. Hopefully this don't take me a long time because it's currently, let me get a timestamp. Current time is 8:32. How long y'all think it's gonna take for me to detangle, wash, condition, and blow dry? I think I'm gonna just keep it like that for this video. Hopefully it don't take too long, y'all. I'm trying to be done and in the bed. So yeah, maybe we'll do like a length check before we flat iron it. I do need to like cut my hair because yeah, I just know them ends look trash, and at this point I'm kind of sick of holding on to them. So we're gonna let them go. We're gonna cut them off. If it's gonna be short, it's just gonna have to be short. We'll just have to do some protective styles so it'll grow back. But without further ado, I think I'm procrastinating because I don't really want to do this because it's late, but it's got to get done. My head is dirty. I'm tired of the itchy scalp. I'm ready to get clean. So let's do this thing. Let's jump straight in. Okay, y'all, so we have transitioned to the shower now. I'm about to just go ahead and wet my hair down. That way it can start to fully saturate because it takes a while for all my hair to get wet. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. and obviously the glasses is probably gonna have to come off. So yeah, and I do have on clothes, y'all, so be mindful. I have on clothes. So let's get this thing started. I think I'm gonna talk my way through with y'all because I probably won't do a voiceover. It'll probably be at the bare minimum that I do a voiceover in some of these, and I'm sorry if I'm echoey because I'm in the bathroom, but probably no voiceover. So it's gonna be just a regular talk through video for y'all. Let's go this way with it. Hopefully I don't get my phone wet, y'all. All right, so I do have some clips up here. I'm gonna section my hair off real quick. It's honestly not fully saturated just yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and like keep saturating it as I throw the conditioner in there and everything like that. So I'm gonna section my hair off and throw the conditioner in there so I can start detangling my hair. I'm gonna show y'all in real time how long it takes for me to detangle a section of my hair. So I have it in 4 sections, and then I split this back section into 2. So this is gonna be the second part of that section in the back. I'm gonna take a decent sized amount of conditioner. Go ahead and just saturate that all throughout my hair. Make sure it's all up in there. And for whatever reason, my hair has shed really bad this time. I think I might have to hold off on doing knotless braids for a while because, honey, them boys like must have broke my hair off or something, because I have a lot of shedding and I typically don't have this much shedding. So this section is just about detangled. I'm gonna turn around and show y'all from the back. I'm just making sure I get my roots real good, because that's what matters the most. There we have it. That section is detangled. It's pretty quick. Like I said, some may think it, because it's a, conditioner company that we typically don't go for in the store. But when I tell y'all that conditioner has, so much slip, I mean that. Like, it has a lot of slip. Okay, y'all, we back. I'm on my last section of hair, so I thought I would just show y'all again. 1 2 1 2. I know it's a little steamy in here, but I'm gonna do this last section on camera. Current time is 9:14, so y'all, we're doing real good. So let's wet this section down. Now we're gonna put it in 2. So the key is to have it fully saturated when you go to add the conditioner. And I'm not using much, You just really want to make sure you coat it, because your hair is gonna be wet, saturated real good. So that's like the key point of using less conditioner, in my opinion. But use as much as you want. Use as much or as less as you want. When I didn't even show y'all the brush I'm using. I bought this brush probably from Walmart years back, okay? This is the brush I'm using. No special brush or nothing like that. I started my ends, work my way through, and go all the way up the shaft of my hair. And I stop once I get to the roots. Typically do the other side. Start at the bottom, come down. And this is real time, y'all. Nothing crazy. And then once I get to the roots, I usually just like kind of pull them out a little bit, because you can tell right here where it's like balling up. And that's all that dead hair that, either broke off, I don't know, died and fell apart, fell up out of there. And I just rake it down. So now the whole section is detangled, y'all. Quick and easy. And now we're gonna do the top part of that one section. So we're gonna unravel it. Wait, again. Okay, that's a little bit of conditioner. You can select less if you want. Y'all can tell I use this big old thing almost out because it's literally a staple for me. Now we can go ahead and rinse this out and start shampooing. Okay, since this section is already done, it's already down, I'm gonna just work on this section real quick. I'm gonna shampoo it with the shampoo I was showing y'all earlier. With this, and then as well, I'm gonna go in with this scalp massager. I got this some years back. I can't even tell y'all where I got it from, but I'm sure I got it for cheap. It was probably like $7.99. So I'm gonna use this on my scalp, kind of break up some of that dandruff a little bit and just clean my scalp real good. Cause y'all, I typically like to wash my hair 3 times. That's what works for me. That's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna wash it 3 times. I might not show y'all all 3 times, but I'm going to wash it in these sections. So I'm gonna take it down and I'm gonna wash it real good and then we're gonna go from there. So first I need to wash the conditioner out. I've seen some people wash their hair in the twist. Like they'll do like maybe, 4 big twists on each side. But me, typically, I like to just take mine out of the twist and just make sure I shampoo it real good. Make sure you get your scalp real good. I keep getting water in my ear, y'all. But yeah, make sure you get your scalp real good. Always take the shampoo down my hair. Make sure I work it in pretty good. I'm gonna go in with my scalp scraper. Just kind of, and it's pointy enough to where like it does its job, but it doesn't really hurt. I don't know the name of this thing because there is no name on here. And this one does. That's what the button's for. Oh, it is a name on here. It's freaking Vanity Planet. Y'all, I didn't even notice that. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. But this one does vibrate, but I find that it does nothing. So I leave it off and I just go in circular motions and I just break up that dandruff that's on my scalp. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna do this to my other 3 sections and then I'll be back. Okay, so this is currently the second wash. It's 9:37. I'm gonna wash with this and then I might just do 2 washes this time because it's actually lathering up pretty good. And do 2 washes and I might just go ahead and throw my deep conditioner in there. Let that sit in there. Okay, y'all. So I have finished my washes. It's currently 9:50. So now I'm about to go in with my deep conditioner and go ahead and put that on in my hair and let that sit. This stuff smells so good, y'all. It's kind of a watery consistency, but I'm gonna let it sit in my hair. It's safe for 15 minutes, so I guess I'll throw it in and just knock my shower out. Okay, so what I typically like to do is just make sure I rinsed out my hair really well with all the shampoo and stuff like that. So now we're just gonna do another rinse. Make sure all that soap is out, y'all. Make sure you kind of manipulate that scalp a little bit. Make sure you get all that soap up. Open it up if you have to. Then I like to drag some of the excess water off. That's just me personally. Sorry, that was kind of loud. I dropped the top to that. I'm gonna take this much for now and just run it through my hair. Top to bottom, y'all. Just make sure you get it all in there. It smells so good. And sometimes when it hits my scalp, it like tingles a little bit because there's peppermint in there. That section is done and we're just gonna let that sit. Let it do its thing. Let it do its thing. What did I just say? I think all the steam is getting to my brain. I tell you one thing before I get off this board, my pores gonna be open. My sinus is gonna be open with the peppermint. I'll tell you that. I'm gonna do one last detangle just to make sure that deep conditioner has coated all throughout my hair. Okay, so I know some of y'all are probably wondering like, how tangled my hair be, because I don't wash my hair in twists. I just take them out and wash it in sections like this big. And so I'm gonna show y'all. So right now I'm putting the deep conditioner in there still. Let me just go back so y'all can see me. So y'all, if I'm squinting, I can't see. Y'all know I wear glasses. So this is how tangled it usually be. I'm still able to run the brush through, although it's not like super smooth as some would say, but I did squeeze all the water out my hair, and this is deep conditioner, so it doesn't have much slip to it. But a couple passes and we're back to detangle free hair. So brush is clean. This is all that came out from that last section. And then when I go to rinse it out, I just keep it in the twist and rinse that deep conditioner out. That way I don't have to go back in once again and manipulate my hair again with the whole detangling process. So I will leave it in the twist and rinse the deep conditioner out. Okay, y'all, this is gonna conclude my wash day routine. I currently have my deep conditioner in it right now. I'm going to finish my shower routine and then I'll rinse it out, and then make sure y'all click on the next video to see me blow out my hair and as well flat iron it. I wanna see if I can get it silky and like straight at home, okay? So we're gonna try to do it over again. I did it a couple times already and I wanna see if I can get it straighter this time. So make sure y'all stay tuned for the next video. And without further ado, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. By subscribing to the channel, that means y'all are joining the family. I really appreciate y'all support. We are at 330 family members. As well, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. How did y'all feel about the wash day routine? Do y'all want more details? Would y'all like to see a wash routine like this again? As well, make sure you share this video to a friend because somebody might want to know what I'm doing. So I'm gonna throw this shower cap on, even though it don't really matter because my hair is already wet. But we're gonna lock in that extra heat so this deep conditioner can do its job. So without further ado, bye beautiful people.